me to paradise.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Dayla. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, babes, you already know what the deal is. Welcome back. Hey y'all, so as y'all seen by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys my little tutorial or showing you how I achieve this look, my little soft girl look, my everyday, you know, like cute little glam. So y'all stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first you want to start off with a fresh face. Just having a clean slate is what you need. And then I like to go in and moisturize. I use Aquaphor on both my lips and my face just because it's a thick moisturizer that lasts. I do have dry skin, so I need something thick. Then after moisturizing, I go in with my e.l.f. grip primer. This primer is so good. It gets really tacky and you just want something to help grip your makeup. And I put this all over everywhere on my face, just like the moisturizer. After prepping the skin, I go in with my foundation. I start off with a couple of pumps and I go ahead and blend that on my hand. Then I go to my face. I just found this a little bit easier for me. If I don't blend it on my hand, sometimes I get like just little dots. I don't know how to explain it, girl, but go ahead and blend it on that hand first. It's going to make your application way smoother. And I go ahead and put that around my whole face, forehead, cheeks, nose, everywhere. Next, we go in with concealer. This is to brighten up the face, so I put this in areas like under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, just to bring a little bit more life to those areas. Then I use my concealer brush just to blend all of this out. The key to flawless makeup, y'all, is just continuing to blend away. This next step is super important, and that is contour. After going ahead in with your concealer, it can brighten your face up a lot and kind of give a whitewashed look. So putting that contour in those areas like your forehead, your cheek, and your nose just brings that life back and that contrast to your face, so it looks as natural as possible. And you want to go in with an angled brush and go ahead and blend those areas out. And again, blend. When we get to the nose area, I like to go in with a smaller angled brush just so it can be as defined as possible and not just getting all over the place. Next is one of my favorite steps, and that is blush. Girl, I love a good blush. But what I will say is please start off with a little dab. Blush goes a long way, especially if you have a very pigmented blush. So start off with a little, and if you want to add more, then you go ahead and add more. But please don't have that blush blindness, okay? Now we want to go ahead and start setting our face. So I set my contour with a bronzer. This is a powder bronzer. Honestly, y'all, I just got this bronzer and so far I love it. I feel like it just defines the contour, and we want to mattify everything so it's not glossy and slipping away. So putting this on there just helps lock it in. This next combo that I have is to help ensure that when you're setting your concealer, you're not setting it with the creases. So I like to go ahead and just put my powder on my powder puff and prep it. And then I go in with my beauty blender, blend that out and get all of those creases out just in case. And then I go in with my powder puff and set that. And I go ahead and set that in all the areas that I do the concealer. You want to let that sit for just a little bit, not too long, and then I go in with my powder brush and I just brush away any of the excess setting powder. And as you go, just go ahead and touch up any areas that you might have missed or just need a little bit of retouching. Now it's time to get into the brows. The key to a soft glam look is to keep your brows nice and natural. I like to just go in and fill in my brows and keeping the natural shape that it already has. I think when you make your eyebrows a little bit too dark or extra concealed, it takes away from that natural soft look that we're going for. And last but not least, we're going to go in with our mascara. We're going to apply that to the top and the bottom lashes. I feel the bottom lashes just brings the whole entire look together. To set the face, I do use two setting sprays. One, I go in with my Extra Glowy by Urban Decay. And to top it off, I go in with my One Size Mattifying Setting Spray. And we can't forget the lip combo. I love going in with a dark brown lip liner and just applying that to the lips. And then you want to top it off with a clear gloss of your choice. Not even gonna lie, y'all, I use the Beauty Supply clear lip gloss and it never fails me. That is how I achieve my soft glam look. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and took some tips and some tricks so you can achieve this look, and I'll see y'all in my next video.